Okay, hello guys, for another video. Today we're going to be making a game where we have like a player, and the player is going to be eating burgers or something. I don't know, like anything you want. Like you can make some different things, but I think I'll make ice cream or something. I don't know, probably like apples. But while he eats the apples, there is going to be something to kill him if he stays on it. So for example, I made this project one. Okay, let's start it. You have a countdown up there, and you see these burgers. Well, I touched the red orb, so I died. But when you touch the burgers, you get points. You see? Points. And some burgers might be overlapped, so you can get double points. And yeah. So yeah, basically when the countdown's over, you will have like a score and everything. And yeah, so let's go ahead and make our game. Let's call it Munch, Munch, and Lose. Munch, Munch, and Lose. Since when you munch on them, you could accidentally lose. So yeah, let's just make Sprite really fast. Let's make Muncher. Let's make him like a big yellow thing. Big yellow. Let's make a little bigger circle. Let's see. Okay. So let's make this circle like this. Let's see. I think it's like that. Okay. And now let's add this and erase this. Never mind, our circle just looks more bonkers. Let's erase all that. Erase this, erase. Okay. Wait, imagine if we do something like this. Let's, how about we make we can make our Sprite a super tiny dot. I bet that'd be pretty cool. Yeah, done. You can't even see our Sprite because it's black background, but yeah, let's turn the background red. Now we can see our little Sprite. And we're going to be able to move him, of course. Let's Muncher with buttons, yeah. Okay, now we can move our tiny dot. So yeah, but we also need, oh yeah, let's make a countdown first. This is probably like one of the simplest parts we're going to be doing. From like 20 seconds. We can make it 30 too if you want, but 20 is fine for me. Okay, you can move him around and everything. So now, what we need to do is pause this, and we're going to make a tile map. Click it. I'm sure you guys already know how to do a tile map, right? Okay. Let's see, aquatic. What about this? Yeah, balloons. Yeah, let's make this like a 30 out of 30. I'm gonna make this beach themed, so I'm going to just be doing swirls and swirls and swirls, and I'm gonna put some water in the middle. I think that's gonna be looking pretty cool. Swirls and swirls and swirls. That's just a lot of swirls. Okay. More swirls. Okay, this is where the swirls start. And make one of them at least like 2 blocks apart. Yeah, looking good. Oops. Let's erase that and add this. Okay. Yeah, that's not supposed to be there. And then let's make more and more swirls. Okay, this is looking good. Looking very good, actually. Okay, I'm doing it right for now. Let's erase that. This is supposed to go like this. I gotta move this over. I got the right position. Yeah, that looks good. Oops. Let's go like this. Move it this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. And yeah. Okay, now let's make all of that a wall. Now we need some water parts. I'm sure Aquatic had it. Maybe Dungeon has it. We need the water parts. Maybe Forest has some water. No, let's just... Oh yeah, this probably has the water. Yeah, here's the water. But I don't think that's the water we want. So I'm going to create a tile, fill it with blue, and yeah, this might be a little more complicated than I thought. Let's make some like this. Let's make that look better. How about like this? Swirls, swirls. I'm going to make another. Oh, let's just duplicate this. But we're going to edit it. We'll flip it like that. Done. Okay, now let's make the one that connects them. Okay. Let's put them like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. Okay, good. Done. Now let's just duplicate this. And now edit this. We can flip it. Like that. We duplicated it. Oh. Let's duplicate it again. And I think we need to edit it. We already did that. And I think we haven't done that right. No, never mind. We already did that. So we're going to be doing that. Here, I probably didn't do that. Yeah, we also did that. In the bottom version, yeah. Good. Yeah, we haven't done that. Let's duplicate it and edit it, and let's flip it one more time. Okay, now we have all our water patterns. Let's place in the water. I should need to place lots and lots of water. Yeah, place this. No, it's not the right one. Yeah, this. Let's erase that. And just flow this way now. Just start flowing this way. Flowing, flowing, flowing. Okay. What hits this point? We're going to have another turn this way. Now we're going to be going up again. Up and up and up. It's gonna probably take a while, so you guys can skip to the front of the video. Okay, let's do this. Let's turn this way. Now let's change directions. Let's go here. Okay, over here we can have something turn this way. Okay, then over here we can start turning this way. The current doesn't look perfect, but it's better than having one straight thing forever and forever. Okay, now we'll just place this. And let's erase that. And here we go this way. Wow, this also changes directions. Okay, that looks perfect. Let's change directions again. And go upwards. Okay. But don't worry guys, you guys don't have to do waters, so it's probably gonna be much easier for you guys. Okay, yeah, let's turn this way. Yeah, it's gonna take forever, but you guys can skip to the head of the video. Let's turn this way. Yeah, turning that way. Okay. It's gonna take a whole lot of time. Okay. Let's see. Okay, now we're going to turn. And turn again. And we're gonna. Oops, we're creating a new tile. Let's just press done. Let's press this and do that. And go upwards again and again. Okay. Well, this is going to be quite a while. Okay. This is almost done, guys. You guys can skip ahead to the important stuff soon. Because this part isn't important. I'm just building the tile map. Well, it kind of is important. Without it, it wouldn't work. But it's like not like the function. This part is more like a part where you basically build the foundation. So okay, let's see. Let's move this way. Turn. It's getting extremely small. Don't want to get dizzy. Okay, let's go downwards. Turn again. Go this way. Turn again. Go that way. Upwards. Turn again. can go this way. Okay, so now that that's solved. Oop, why is that there? Let's go to stand, replace this. Okay, now we press done. And we're going to make the camera to follow the launcher. Okay, now that that's good, let's start it again. Oh, okay, I forgot they were pretty small. But he's traveling and traveling and traveling through the waters. Okay, this is where I thought. Oh yeah, the timer went up, so game over. But okay, let's not mind that for now. We're going to make some things where you can die. Let's go to dungeon. Let's flip, 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 flip. But no, I think that's in this. Yeah, good. Lava. We're going to place lava in the water. What kind of doesn't make sense, since then the lava and the water would merge together. Well, yeah, well, in Minecraft, it turned to obsidian. And yeah. But I don't know, but I think, in my opinion, I think lava is hotter than water. Because in my mind, I think that water is fire's rival. But lava is ice's rival. Yeah, that makes sense. Because ice is just like the upgraded version of water, and lava is just the upgraded version of fire, basically. Okay, so now we have that. The only thing we have to do is just make this, just do this, place lava and poke game over those. Okay. But to get this stuff organized, I'm probably going to make a function to make my points. Okay, let's just call the points. Call points. Okay, let's make like some food or something. Point. Okay. That's point. Okay, that seems good. Now I just need to go to gallery and pick a food. I'm gonna pick the ice cream. Yeah, it's 16 out of 16, so it's good. Now I don't like vanilla. Let's turn it chocolate. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate ice cream. I'm just gonna place all of the white with brown so it looks like it's chocolate ice cream. Okay, seems good. Almost done, guys. Why could I like a chocolate and vanilla twist? Or something, but I like chocolate. Okay, like and subscribe if you like chocolate ice cream too, guys. Okay, let's finish. It's a point. So let's repeat this. Let's have like 10 of these. Rather than have 10. And let's place them. Let's add a tile. Let's have the tile blue. Let's just have it like this new tile. Wait, no, we don't need this new tile. We'll just erase this new done. It's a space tile. Let's make it go on a random let's make it the point spawn on a random, like, about this. Let's make this repeat 5 times. Let's duplicate. No, I duplicated the wrong thing. Let's throw this in the trash. Let's duplicate this. Okay, now let's duplicate this. Wait, no, we don't need that. Let's delete this. And then put this on this. Wait, why are these wrong? Oh, what's the problem? What can we remove this part in the muncher? I still play it. There's errors. Muncher. I can't follow muncher. Oh, I know. I deleted the muncher thing. Let's go back. That's not hope. Let's well, it's fine. Let's just get a new one and take this off and put it on muncher. And let's put like, this time we're gonna have like a black square. Okay, now it will work. And if we hit the lava, we will lose. And yeah, there's also gonna be ice cream scattered around everywhere. Yeah. Yeah, this game is actually pretty fun. Okay, now we just need, this is like one of the few last steps. Let's get this block, player overlap with point. You're going to change, no, not life, change the score by a random amount. Let's do 1 to, let's do 1 million. 1 to 1 million. Yeah, that's 1 million. But no, that's 100,000. Never mind. Let's do 1 million. Okay, now it's good. Wait, no, I don't want such a big number. How about like 1,000? That makes sense. Okay. Now just need to do 1 countdown and game over win. I kind of want to change this to better luck next time. Better luck next time. Okay. That's good. So now our game is practically done. You see, you can move around. And look, now you can... Wait, no, I forgot. We haven't deleted the ice cream after. So let's, destroy ice cream. And let's, duplicate this. Right now, let's make another function. This is just making extra to make it look cooler. Place other. Just, well, yeah, it's just making a place to another place. Okay, and let's set. Nope, I got the wrong block. No, not that block. That block. Oh yeah, this block. Okay, press the point. That. But now let's make a. variables, 1 or 2. Okay, let's make a variable called 1 or 2. 2. Pick random 0 or 1. Let's make an if statement. If it equals the 1 or 2 equals 0, then it would go on that. And else, which would make it 1, we're going to place it on this. Okay, that makes sense. Let's see how it works now. Once you tape it, why don't I see any ice cream anywhere? I can't get the ice cream because it's so far away. Okay, it will appear somewhere else, so that there's not a limit to how much you can get. This game is basically a game of luck. If you like come here one and pick it up. Well, of course, if you're like too numb and you couldn't pick, and you just decide not to pick it up, that'd be kind of weird. But that's also a way you could use. Yeah. So that's it for today. So bye guys. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you have a nice rest of your day. Bye.